Hey there, New Beginnings. It's me, Pastor Danish House. We got our certificate of occupancy today for the building here at DeGarmo Rd, and I wanted to show you some of the stuff that you'll see when next time you come here in the church building. Here is the state of the building as it is today. The building inspector, when he came in on Tuesday, required that we repaint our handicap parking spaces, so they're repainted there. And yeah, here's the front of the building. I just noticed that the security camera is now installed, so that's awesome. And we got that sign case, which will have info on it. Let's go inside the building. Yeah. So if you haven't been in the building since we started rebuilding, one of the major things that we did was remove the drop ceiling. So the ceilings are much higher, and we've got lighting in from cans set into the ceiling. It's really great. Everything in the building is LED lighting. And this is the foyer. See the beautiful carpeting. These are carpet squares that Mike DeCarmine laid down and his crew. And of course there's the sanctuary, and you see the picture windows into the sanctuary are much taller than they were. They used to be at the same height of the door tops, but now they're much higher, which gives her a better view. See, look, better view of the cross and the sanctuary. We'll go in the sanctuary in just a minute, but this is the foyer. And now, as you go to the right of the main door, now there's the secretary's office. You can see in and out of the secretary's office through a large window. And so there's our coat rack. Bunch of things still to be installed. Of course, there's going to be a table here in front of the secretary's window with those two chairs. Over here in the corner, instead of a closet, we're going to have the welcome center. The welcome center is being built as we speak, I think. And you can see there's some tables that are getting ready to be, they need to still be assembled, but and put into place. Those are there. Secretary's office. We have the carpet squares throughout the hallway and the foyer, but in the secretary's office, it's got the vinyl flooring, wood look vinyl flooring. Again, the high ceilings, big LED lights, makes it very bright in here. Cabinets. Rachel is in the process of assembling her desk here, and there's a lot of work still to be done there. But here's the office as it is now. There's the security system. Let's look at there's the front walk. Ooh. All right. So that's the secretary's office. All of our bathrooms are completely redone. Obviously everything's completely redone, but big stone floor tiles, tiles that go up the wall, high ceilings still. We got the big mirror. We have touchless towel dispensers, soap dispensers on the wall. Toilets, of course. I'm not gonna show you the toilets. The big changes that we've got now. Changing stations in every bathroom, and great doors and walls and stuff. Yeah, the bathroom's doing good. What else do I want to show you? I want to show you down the hall, my office. Right, here's my office. I have the carpet in my office rather than the vinyl tile. These are bookshelves that are built in, soon to be filled. I don't have my furniture in here yet. We just got the CO today. But this is where you can come and sit with me and talk about the Bible and your life. Men's and ladies' rooms are virtually identical. We have the nursery here. Nursery's been rebuilt. The new sink. The sink is now at adult height rather than child height. Cabinets. We have all sorts of nursery stuff that has to go into these shelves. Ron Edick built these cubbies for the kids' stuff to go into, and their coats to hang on to. There's what used to be the crib nursery, but we didn't put the cribs back in because nobody uses cribs in a church anymore. There's going to be a fridge here in this corner still to come. But this is the nursery 2 right now. Let's see. Where are we going? We're going to go across the hall from the nursery. This office is going to be for Joel and Jordan, and they have A couple of bookcases there. We'll have desks in here. Couchy kinds of things, maybe. Who knows? That's Joel and Jordan's office. Continuing down the hallway. This was the library. Now it's going to be a conference room. A couple of bookcases. But there'll be a fixed table here, not a folding table, and fixed chairs, not folding chairs in here. This will be a good room for Bible studies and conference meetings, leadership meetings. Across the hall, this was the youth room. Now it's going to be a classroom. And I see there's a little angled corner there. I love the lighting in all of these rooms, big LED panels, good stuff. Yeah, so, and the reason why these rooms are different is that we put in this room down at the end of the hall. We took two of the classrooms and we combined them into one big multi-purpose room. And really, you gotta be here to see it, honestly. It's hard to get the scope of it on video, but look at this big, cool room. A nice medium-sized room between classroom and gymnasium. Big closets there, and nice windows. The youth will meet in here as well as other things, but this will primarily be the youth room. And by putting this room in, it necessitated, oh, I gotta get the lights. It necessitated us putting in a new exit to the church. So there's a new exit down the hallway here, and that's where this angle comes in. All right, we're back in the foyer and we're going down the hallway here. That is around the sanctuary. There's a lot of echo in here because we don't have a lot of stuff in the church building, but there's the new bulletin board that you're gonna see when you come in from the back parking lot. Notice glass doors, both front and back glass doors. And our back parking lot, the whole carport has been rebuilt and recladded. It looks really beautiful. So you come in here and you have glass doors, and in here. So then you would take a right and you'd go down here towards the gym. Again, beautiful carpeting by Mike DeCarmine there. In here, we have the janitor's closet. I was really excited to see stuff in the janitor's closet this morning when I came in. Lots of, buckets and stuff. That's what you want to see in a janitor's closet. These things are working. Up here in the loft, we actually are not going to be using this as a meeting space anymore. It's going to be for storage. And also audio equipment is up there, as well as our heating and air conditioning equipment. So that's being turned into more of a storage area and not a meeting space. And of course the electrical closet. Because we moved the racks of audio equipment out of here and into the loft, it's much emptier, and hopefully this will just be an electrical closet. That's our hope. So yeah, pretty psyched about that. All right, we're gonna go down now, go down the stairs. So we're able to save and refurbish the railings that used to be here. These are the identical refurbished railings from the original church building. Again, bathrooms are all pretty much identical, changing stations and stuff. We got water fountains back there. Here's our beautiful kitchen. Oh, okay, so stainless steel appliances. We got a fridge, 2 stoves, 2 microwaves. The kitchen island, I don't know if you can see how it sparkles. It's quartz, so that's exciting. There's a dishwasher, the main sink, all the cabinets. There's the pass-through that's going to go into the gymnasium. That goes in the gymnasium. There's the second refrigerator, coat rack for people who are working here in the kitchen. So yeah, pretty cool. And the gym. Oh, the gym is so beautiful. This is where the fire started, but it is now gorgeous. You can see lighter pine walls than we had before. A beautiful stubbly floor, nice and clean. It smells wonderful in here, not like the fire before. Obviously brand new basketball hoops, and it's ready for volleyball as well. And, we extended the storage area here so that it's a wider storage area for chairs and such. And of course, up these stairs, there's storage area still, although there's some heating and air conditioning stuff are up there. But this is great, beautiful. Got some folding chairs. Need to put some racks together, things like that. Lots of work still to do here, but we are getting there. I'm gonna take you into the sanctuary. So one change we made to the building was, as you come up the stairs here from the gym, it's now a straight shot into the sanctuary. The doors didn't used to be straight on from that stairs. So come on into the sanctuary, glass doors again. And here's the sanctuary. Oh, so beautiful. There's the stage. Mike DeGarmo again put this carpet down. This is not carpet squares, it's carpet rolls. Look at that stage. It's beautiful. We did away with the permanent baptistry. We're going to be buying a portable baptistry to go here so we can have baptisms whenever we want. The cross had to be taken down and completely refurbished. It's now got LED lighting. Thanks to Scott Sheldon for doing that. That's an amazing piece of work that he did to make the cross beautiful again. Our cross. New screen, got new lighting. Right now, we don't have pews. The pews are coming just after Labor Day. So we have our folding chairs in here. But you can see on the far side of the stage, there's a ramp for wheelchair access or people with disabilities to get up on stage. We've got all of our seating plans involve more spaces for people in wheelchairs, people with disabilities, because that's always been a part of our ministry, is to make people with disabilities and their families feel welcome here and be part of our community. Here's the sound booth. Sound booth currently just has chairs in it. We don't have the sound equipment installed. This is why we're still several weeks away from being able to have services here. Even though we have a certificate of occupancy, we don't have sound equipment installed. We're waiting on that to be installed. And once that's installed and we are able to meet here in the sanctuary, then we will have services here. So what's our plan in the immediate next few days? Well, over the course of the next week, hopefully this weekend, we're going to start moving our offices here into DeGarmo Rd so that Rachel can be here in the office, I can be in my office, and we can start to do the work of filling this place with the stuff that we need in order to have services here. So, just simple things like toilet paper. We do have a little bit of toilet paper. We need to get more. Paper towels, chairs, tables, hymnals, Bibles. We got to supervise the incoming of this audio equipment. We have a lot of furniture that's coming that's going to need to be assembled and then put into place. We actually have a ton of work here for anybody who wants to come in next week, any day next week, Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come on down. Don't have to make an appointment. Just come in and Rachel and I will have work to give you. If you want to do a job, if you want to do even 15 minutes worth of work, if you want to do 20 minutes of work, we're going to have plenty of little jobs that need to be done, but hundreds of them. So the more the merrier in terms of help. We're going to be moving stuff into these rooms. We're going to be moving all the tables and chairs into these rooms. We're moving the toys into the nursery and other nursery stuff, books, other things. Lots and lots of stuff that needs to be done. Come on down, help us out. We need to do a thorough cleaning of this building. It's in great shape, but there's still some construction dust here and there, and that would be really helpful to get that done this weekend. Would be great. And so yeah, we have a work day here on Saturday. Dave Beckwith is leading that for some of the exterior stuff, doing work on the lawn and other things around, trimming bushes, etc. That's going to be this Saturday. Please come on down if you can help with that. And so we're hoping to have our offices in here up and running by Monday, or starting Monday, and have the church offices in here, but then services have to wait for sound equipment to be installed, etc. So for the next few weeks at least, we're anticipating doing services still at Arlington Reformed Church, 9 a.m., but hopefully soon, hopefully within a month, let's say, we'll be here at DeGarmo Rd for Sunday morning services. Thank you so much to everybody who's prayed for this work. Thank you so much to everybody who's given financially to this work. Big thank you to Jim Sylvester and his crew for James and Luke and Jeff and so many others who put in countless hours here getting this church building built. It's been rebuilt now. Now it's our chance to relaunch this ministry. I want to say a big thank you to Dave Beckwith for his designs, to Donna Diartona and her team for decorations, to Jewel Ratzliff and her team for her teams for working through lots and lots of issues here at the church. Andy Miller, Mike DeCarmine, Timothy House, so many people, Bethany Miller, Katrina Unterborg. Rachel has done a tremendous amount of work here. Carl has done a tremendous amount of work here. Lots and lots of people have been giving lots and lots of time and effort in making this building ready to go. And we are getting there. We're getting there. We are ready to start using it as our offices and soon to start using it for Sunday morning services. Thank you, everybody who's given, who's prayed, and who's spent their time here. We're closing in on the relaunch of New Beginnings Church here at 35 DeGarmo Road in Poughkeepsie. It's an exciting time. I hope that you enjoyed this little tour of where the building is right now.